warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from the second group.
I am Mukhlisin.
I am Mafiro. I am Ustadzah Nasana. And I am Nur Fadila. And then I'm Juinda Hartati.
Hello guys, we are going to talk about part of brain and function in language. But remember that we're going to focus on language center. Let's discuss about language center and part of language center. Okay, well, talking about language center. Language center here located at the base of motor cortex. This language center appears to be responsible for organizing the articulatory patterns of language and directing of motor cycle when we want to talk. This involves the face, jaw, and tongue in this case of spoken language, and the hands, arm, and the case of signet language. Broca's area also seems to control the use of inflectional morphemes like determiners and preposition. This is a very important function with aspects to the formation of word and sentence.
Right now, we want to talk about language center. What is the definition of language center? Language center itself is the most important part of the brain that processes the language. Number one, we want to talk about Broca's area, and number two, we want to talk about Wernicke's area, and number three, we want to talk about angular gyrus.
The located of Broca's area at based on motor cortex, and in the Broca's area there are 5 functions. The first function is organizing articulatory pattern of language, and the second is directing motor cortex when we want to talk, and the number third is tongue in the case of the spoken language. Number 4 is the hands and the arms, and the last or number 5 is the body in the case of signs of language.
I will explain about Wernicke's area. Wernicke's area is located near the back sections of the auditory cortex. These sections of the brain is involved in the comprehensions of words and selections of words. When producing sentence, Wernicke's area is one of the 2 parts of cerebral cortex linked. In the late 19th centuries, to speech to other Broca's areas. It is involved in the understanding of written and spoken language. It is traditionally considered to consist of the posterior sections of the superior temporal gyrus.
Okay, now I will explain to you about the angular gyrus. But first, I will explain to you about the definition and function of angular gyrus. The angular gyrus is a region of the brain in the parietal lobe that lies near the superior edge in temporal lobe. And then it is involved in a number of processes related to language, like number processing, attention, spatial cognition, and theory of mind. Above all, this area located between Wernicke's area and the visual cortex and convert visual stimuli into auditory stimuli, like verse and versa. So, from that, allowing us to match the spoken form with the subject it described. So, this ability is very important to all of human because this ability can make the human easy to read and write it. And the last is the function of angular gyrus. The function of angular gyrus, the first is language. So if someone have the language, so it can make the human more easy to read and write it, and also connect the meaning, connect the word into the meaning. Number 2, memory relieval. So if someone have the angular gyrus, so it can make memorize vocabulary, memorize something, memorize someone, and others. And the last is mathematics. If someone have angular gyrus, so it can make someone have more to speak about mathematics.
Thank you for watching our video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.